If you're experiencing login issues on Notion, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try opening other websites or apps to confirm that your internet is working properly. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRO to constantly monitor your email accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache or app data. If you are using a web browser, clear your cache and cookies. If you are on the mobile app, try clearing the app data or reinstalling the app to eliminate any corrupted files. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Some browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and try logging in again. Step 5. Check Notion's status. Visit Notion's status page or their social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues or outages that might be affecting your ability to log in. If these steps do not resolve your login issues, consider reaching out to Notion's support for further assistance.